How do we turn the granules to bags?
Don't sleep.
Hi there, this is Maggie. Welcome to our channel. Today we are giving a test to a film extruding machine with 3 colors inline printing. After the film roll is produced, we will take it to a bag making machine to make the bags. Let's take a look on the machine. So this is the granules here. And then we can see the film flows from here. Goes up. Okay, now the film roll is ready. Let's take it to the cutting machine and make the bags. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. If there is any machines you would like to see in our next videos, welcome to leave your comments below. And remember to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.